So in this video, you'll learn how to disable the Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to turn off the Google Assistant, so whenever you say the key phrase, "Hey Google," and you don't want the assistant to appear and you want to disable this feature, then it's fairly simple. Just navigate to the Google app, and then once you're here, tap on your profile icon and then select Settings. Under Settings, you then want to select Google Assistant, and then from here, scroll down until you find the option General. Select it. Under General, just tap on the toggle next to Google Assistant and confirm that you wish to disable it. Once it's been disabled, it now means that even if you say the phrase, "Hey Google," the Google Assistant will no longer appear on your tablet, which means that you've successfully turned it off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.